actually started hooping when I was in 4th grade. I got a hoop as a gift. I tried using it with no proper knowledge as I had no access to internet and YouTube. I picked it up again when I was in 9th, just doing it by my instincts, and somehow I managed to perform my first ever hula hoop dance. But I had restricted myself to waist hooping as I was unaware of the whole world of hula hoop community. I learned and searched a lot of new things during this quarantine. For me, hula hoop is a magic hoop. Whenever I have a bad day or I feel low, I just pick my hoop and I get lost in it. It is a sort of a motion meditation therapy for me. It centers me and it calms me down. Hula hoop has taught me never say die attitude, as every time the hoop drops, I pick it up and start again. It gives, and by doing that, it gives me a deep sense of achievement and contentment. Hooping burns fats, especially around your belly, that makes your core strong. Hooping is actually fun. It is not as intense workout, but yet my whole body gets energized. It helps me with my body posture and makes me walk tall, adding it to the level of my self-esteem. Choosing a hoop depends upon how you view hooping. If you see it as a fitness tool, I would suggest to take a bigger hoop and a heavier one. It has slow rotations and it is easier to manage as a beginner. But if you see hooping as a dance form, then I would suggest to take a lighter one, as transitions become easy when you have a lighter hoop. It is difficult, but you will get a hang of it with practice. Before hooping, I would like to give you guys some suggestions. Number one, make sure that you're wearing something that's made up of cotton, which will help you to get a better grip. Second, make sure that you haven't eaten anything for the last 1.5 to 2 hours before hooping, otherwise, you may get a bad stomach ache. Third, if you want, you can play your favorite playlist to get the vibe for hooping. So, now let us begin. So, as a beginner, I would like to suggest these two hoops. This is a hoop that you can get in any local toy shop, it's available very easily. And this one you can get at any sports shop near you. So I think this hoop will help you to reduce your belly fat, and this you can use as a beginner. So I'm going to teach you how to do hooping with this hula hoop. First, take one of your leg forward, maintain your body posture, keep your back straight, your core strong. Hold the hoop, take it to one side and just throw, and just don't move, don't do anything in the beginning, let it fall down. So now you get to know that your hoop rotates around your hip and exactly what portion. Like for me, the hoop gets stuck at my hip bone and it doesn't go down, so you have to make sure that which part of your body the hoop is moving, and you have to move just that part, not your shoulders, not your knees, not your thighs, just your waist. So hold it again, one leg forward, take it to one side, throw it, and take your body front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Do it multiple times and then you will get a hold of it. Okay, so doing this is not easy at all. You need a lot of practice and you need to practice this daily.